Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Shojip Mia. Welcome to Learning Advanced Microeconomics. Today, I am presenting on managing decision under risks and uncertainty. And what is uncertainty? Managing decision under risks and uncertainty. Uncertainty means outcome unknown, probabilities not measurable, and it is harder to quantify and model. And risks means outcome unknown but probabilities are quantifiable and manageable. People maximize their utility, not just money, because utility is concave most in risk averse. There is an example of gamble. A bubble occurs when asset price rise above fundamental due to optimism. Here we see higher price can reduce and US housing crisis. Risks can be managed through four main methods. And first, insurance, diversification, flexible, and information. Insurance pool risks. For example, paying $100 to avoid a 1% chance of a $10,000 loss. But problem, advanced selection, moral hazard, uninsurable risks. Diversification speed risks across asset, keeping return steady while lowering variance. Flexibility suggests moderate strategy or real option. Help when diversification is impactable. And this is an example of diversification. Now we see the mathematically diversification form. Without pooling, each person bear catastrophic but unpredictable risks. The result shows this. Now we see the reserve fund alternative, and each individual contribute 100 annually in advance fund cover losses as they occur cooperative and insurance system. And this feature predictable and equal contribution and reduce expose to catastrophic event and communally protection by shared responsibilities. In cooperative insurance, measures are both contribute and beneficiaries, and contributors are fixed and reserves are built over time. This ensures fairness, reduce short. And we see the an example of insurance. Now, and we show the rule of stock market, risks and risk transfer, risk diversification, and risk pooling. Unlike insurance, stock market transfer diversification are price risks. And finally, and we see systematic risks in stock market. The 2008 crisis revealed systematic vulnerability. Key concern and counterparty risks, moral hazard, the role of central bank. Central bank can play an important role. Thank you everyone and watching my video.